Hi there, Dori Soukup here, founder of Inspiration Management. I am super excited to be attending and speaking at the ESI conferences this year. We are doing something brand new we have never done before at the ESI, and that is to host the 4-hour seminar. So here's the topic: new revenue streams. So for all of you who have a day spa or maybe have a medical spa and would like to improve, I am hosting this 4-hour seminar specifically for people that want to get into the medical spa arena. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can step into the 7-figure arena and beyond. You're gonna want to definitely attend this 4-hour seminar. So make sure you check out the schedule, go ahead and register and see me there. I am giving all kinds of gifts for being part of this. One of them is giving you a copy. For those of you who attend this seminar, I'm actually going to give you a hard copy of my book, How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spa. So whether you own a day spa or want to venture into medical spa, or even if you have one, you want to just grow, this session is definitely for you. So mark your calendar and register, and I look forward to seeing you there so I can help you make a lot more money and be more successful. Until then, stay inspired.